What is going on YouTube, and welcome back to another episode of Vancouver's Worst Drivers. Before we start this video, I want to thank this video sponsor, Atlas Driving School. A big shout out to them. And if you're looking to brush up your skills either as a new driver or as an experienced driver, there's packages for everybody, and they have locations all over the Lower Mainland. Plus, you can get 10% off their driving packages just for watching Vancouver's Worst Drivers. So be sure to check them out in the description below and use their promo code for 10% off all their driving packages. Let's start this video with a whole bunch of pedestrian videos, starting off with this one from Ron MCG. This guy waits for the cars to pass, yet decides to slowly walk across the road, not even glancing to the left. And then Diego got this video in Surrey where this pedestrian just has a death wish, again just running on traffic without even glancing left. So the pedestrian's not at fault here, but look at him stiff-arm this SUV just as he's trying to cross the street. So the unfortunate thing about dash cams is that they are around everywhere, and unfortunately they'll record you doing embarrassing things once in a while. So when I first saw this video, I noticed the crows flying to and from. It almost looked like they were like chasing the car. It's just kind of bizarre behavior. So I thought that was what this video was about. But a few seconds later, this happens. So keep your eye out on the car up ahead, just to the left a little bit. Tries to make it across Boundary Road without success, unfortunately, for both the drivers. And then CB500XER got this insane crash video in Surrey. Fortunately, I don't know how this is possible, but no one was injured in this insane crash. And then Mr. Hijacks got this guy trying to do off-roading at the worst possible spot with the worst possible vehicle. This accident right here is just so preventable. Had this Yaris just merged in like everybody else at the right spot, I guess this truck didn't see him until basically they hit. And the funny thing is, Yaris just drives off. So the funny thing with this crash video between Ethan and this other car is this other car has their learner license with no one else in the vehicle. I wonder what the parents and ICBC thought after this crash. I'm guessing the new guy did not lock the van door properly. Up next, we got a couple of truck drivers cutting everybody off, starting off with this one, and it's just bizarre to me because this guy could have gone behind the other person turning left, but nope, he's making his own way through. And then the same thing happened at Main and East First, where this driver is cutting off everybody, not even close to even giving a crap. Watch the Jeep here as they turn left. They turn left before everybody else. They're driving on the wrong side of the road twice, even as they turn. So many fails in one video. What the hell? Rickson sent in this video of what it's like to live in Vancouver. So you got this black pickup truck almost hitting him as he cuts the corner too close. And then you got this driver thinking that the left turn signal is for them. Yeah, it's dangerous out there. And then MW604 captures this video of him getting cut off by this driver trying to go straight through the left turn signals as well. What could possibly go wrong by cutting off 3 lanes of traffic without even glancing to the left? Steve Kwok got this home security video of a suspected drunk driver making his own parking spot right up on the lawn. The first time I saw this video, the moment I saw this truck up ahead stopped, I knew exactly what was going to happen. And it's funny because you think as an Uber driver, as a professional driver, they would anticipate this as well. It's always wise to drive on the correct side of the road, even if you think no one's around. The level of audacity in this video is just absolutely astonishing. This driver is going to hang a left and just cut everybody off and hope for the best in, the pouring rain, in the dark. How do these people get their licenses? And then this burgundy van basically does the exact same thing. At least they have a courtesy of not doing it while they're cutting everybody off. Look at me now. I'm complimenting people for not being fully idiotic. This driver here thinks they're so clever, making their own left turn lane, and then Jeff comes along. Beamer drivers just doing Beamer driver things. If you're going to do U-turn, 1, don't do it in a controlled intersection. 2, make sure you can actually make the full turn. And 3, don't cut people off while you're doing it. Check out this Mustang driver getting lit up by the paparazzi, aka the red light cameras. Isn't it so annoying when people stop at the stop signs like they're supposed to? Like, so inconsiderate. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of this. Some people are thinking that this is legal. It's a hard no for me. Sometimes when you're on these side roads or quieter neighborhoods, it's best just to kind of take it easy because you never know what's going to happen. This truck knows that it's a red light because that white giant truck is turning in front of him, but he's just going to go for it anyways because why not? Some people are just so focused on turning left, they don't even recognize anybody else being around them. And then last video of this compilation video, you got this Chrysler running this red light, and they know that it's red because they stopped, but they just go colorblind for a second. All right, so it's time for the month of February Black Box My Car giveaway, and a big thank you to Black Box My Car for sponsoring this giveaway. And if you're interested in getting a dash cam from Black Box My Car, I've got a promo code Vancouver's Worst Drivers where you can receive 5% off any order over $150. So check out the description below. And without further ado, this month's winner is Ron MCG. So congratulations, Ron, on winning $100 to Black Box My Car. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and also share it with your friends and family if you like it. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, you can email me videos as well. All that information will be in the description below.